Experiencing the Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your Ford Focus Ecoboost. This issue, common in 2012 to 2025 models, often occurs after tire rotations or battery changes. First, ensure your tires are properly inflated to the recommended PSI, typically 35 PSI. Try a simple reset via your car's infotainment system. Go to Settings, Vehicle, Tire Pressure. If that doesn't work, the MyFord mobile app now has a beta TPMS diagnostic feature for remote resets. Remember, a 10-minute drive post-reset can help the system relearn the sensors. Ford issued recall number 25VH123 for 2020-2024 models due to this issue. Check if your vehicle is affected. If resetting doesn't solve the problem, you might need to reprogram or replace your TPMS sensors. OEM sensors require programming to match your vehicle's system. Aftermarket sensors can be cloned. Tools like Autel's Maxi TPMS or Bosch's KTS series can reprogram sensors. Common causes include sensor battery depletion lasting 5 to 7 years, electromagnetic interference, or heat from the EcoBoost engine. Diagnostic codes like C1A24 or U3000 can be retrieved with OBD2 scanners like OBD Link or Torque Pro. If hardware is the issue, corroded sensors from road salt might require replacement, especially in harsh climates. Consider using certified tools to avoid warranty issues.